Okay guys, so I'm back here in another video, and today I am in Aba, Abia State, and guess what? I am here to show you what Aba nightlife looks like, and I am not here alone. I'm here with one of the Aba content creators.
Good evening. Today we are at Aba Road, Aba.
Yeah.
We are showing you how Aba looks like in the night.
Yeah.
Governor Alex Otti is actually doing a great job by lighting up Aba. As you can see at my background, everywhere is lighted up. Nightlife is restored. Before now, by 6 p.m., people have gone back to their homes. But now people can stay outdoors till even 10 p.m. in the night.
Yeah.
As you can see, all of us are out here enjoying ourselves.
Definitely.
This is Civic TV, and you are enjoying travel with Iwala.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, okay,
and enjoy yourself.
So, if you love watching my content and you like the kind of work we do, I believe you also love watching Civic TV. So, what are you waiting for? So please do well to subscribe to his channel and also like his video and do well to comment on this video. So let us link up and show you the amazing things you are here to see in Aba today. So here we are going to still take a walk down and to show you more of what Aba looks like at night.